Hi, I am Ray Gessner, and before we explain the five-step program of how to open your own chimney sweep business, I'd open the video by selling the opportunity itself. Why chimney sweeping? Why own the business instead of simply getting another job? Why own your own chimney sweep business? Before we explain our five-step program, let's start with the most important question. Why would you want to own your own chimney sweep business? If you've ever wanted to own a business, work with your hands, learn a skilled trade, and build something that belongs to you, chimney sweeping may be an opportunity you've never considered. Every year, millions of homeowners use fireplaces, chimneys, wood stoves, and venting systems that need to be cleaned, inspected, maintained, and repaired, and somebody has to do that work. The chimney industry is different from a lot of businesses because you're providing a real service that homeowners need. You're not trying to invent the next app or convince someone to buy something they don't need. You're solving problems. You're helping families maintain their homes. You're identifying potentially dangerous conditions. You're stopping chimneys that leaks. You're repairing deteriorated chimneys, and you're helping homeowners safely enjoy their fireplaces. But here's what makes this opportunity especially interesting. You can own the business. You don't necessarily need a huge building, a warehouse full of inventory, or dozens of employees to get started. A chimney sweep business can begin with a properly equipped van, professional tools, insurance, training, and the willingness to work. And as you become more experienced, the opportunity can grow far beyond simply cleaning chimneys. You can learn chimney inspections. You can perform repairs. You can solve water leak problems. You can install chimney caps and liners. You can perform masonry repairs and masonry repointing. And eventually, you can hire and train additional technicians and build a larger company. The better you become at the trade, the more valuable your knowledge becomes. That's one of the things I love about the chimney industry. It's a combination of a skilled trade, problem solving, customer service, and entrepreneurship. And there's something else that's very important about what we're offering. This is not a franchise. We're not trying to sell you a franchise and own a piece of your business. Our goal is to help teach you the chimney trade and show you the systems we've developed from decades of operating a chimney sweep company. You build your own business, you own your own business, and ultimately, you control where that business takes you. So if you've been thinking about becoming your own boss, learning a skilled trade, or building a business that you can be proud of, the chimney industry might be worth taking a serious look at. And that's where our program comes in. We've broken the process down into five steps to becoming a chimney sweep business owner. Now take a second, open your computer and type this into an internet search. Type, what is the average cost for a chimney inspection and cleaning? You will find the reported answer is $250 to $500. That average is $375. Next, type into the search, what is the average time required to clean and inspect a chimney? The result is 45 to 90 minutes with an average of 1 hour and 10 minutes. That produces a revenue of $320 per hour. Now type in an internet search, what is the cost of a normal dryer vent cleaning? The result is between $150 to $300. Then ask how long it takes to clean the average dryer vent, and the result will be between 30 and 60 minutes with an average of 45 minutes. That results in a billing rate of $300 per hour. Another common service we perform is installing chimney caps. The average cost for a single flue chimney cap is $350. Wholesale cost for a chimney cap is $50. The time to install is 15 to 30 minutes, which gives an hourly revenue rate of $600 per hour. The national chimney sweep average sale per opportunity for residential chimney services is $1,000 after material expense with a normal 8-hour day. That averages a billing rate of $375 per hour with servicing 3 homes per day. Most chimney sweep business models schedule an 8 a.m. appointment and then an 11 a.m. appointment, and the last appointment is at 2 p.m. Working 5 days per week at 40 hours per week, a van can generate $780,000 per year. This is not fantasy, this is basic math, and I am going to show you how to make it happen. Next, I am going to show you how to achieve this goal. The first step is to determine your initial cost, daily cost, monthly cost, and material expense. The initial cost is your company vehicle. I would wrap this up with van and lettering to total $40,000 for a 2-seat cargo van. Typically, this is financed, and for normal 5-year financing at 7% interest on a 5-year loan, and it would be $800 per month. Next, you will need auto, liability, and workers' compensation insurance. This typically runs for normal individuals $6,000 to $12,000 per year, with average cost of $750 per month. The equipment cost to properly stock a chimney sweep vehicle to perform other services would likely be on the high side of $9,000 one-time cost with renewal every 3 years, which equates to a monthly expense of $250. The next thing you need to add is gasoline and maintenance expense. With average distance between jobs being 20 miles, it equates to 100 miles per day and 500 miles per week. A van having 10 miles per gallon and gasoline cost of $4 per gallon. We have a vehicle expense of $200 per week or $900 per month. Adding all these numbers and the cost to operate a chimney vehicles is $32,000 per year. This is your annual vehicle, insurance, and gasoline cost of a very active chimney sweep vehicle. Step 2 in this process is training. We currently have a detailed 400-page training manual called the Chimney Inspector's Training Manual that includes many hours of audio discussion that you and your chimney technicians can listen to between jobs. Additionally, we have partnered with chimney sweep companies from throughout the United States that you can actively work on live chimney inspections and cleanings. This process typically takes between 8 to 12 weeks, and this is paid training. During the training process, a normal chimney sweep technician will earn between $1,000 to $1,500 per week, and your gas expenses covered. The training location is in the eastern portion of Virginia, from Virginia Beach to Washington, D.C. If you are serious about your new career, we have partnered with various chimney sweep companies from throughout the United States. You can help them during their busy season by providing the licensed and insured vehicle, and they provide one of their technicians to ride with you, and you follow our detailed chimney inspection and cleaning instructions. This mutually benefits the chimney sweep owner, you, and our training program. Step 3. Learning how to bill $780,000 per year with your chimney sweep company with only one van. This presents two problems and two solutions. Remember, we stated to achieve this success, you will need $1,000 per visit and 3 visits per day. Those are the two problems in the chimney industry. Let's address the first problem of achieving $1,000 per visit. This is absolutely achieved by many successful chimney sweep companies. If it is not achieved, it is a lack of training, knowledge, confidence, report presentation, quality photos, and lack of follow-up. Our system is geared to continuously improve these issues. When you start your company and perform sweeps, we link with you with Google Meet and help you inspect chimneys, and our back-end team generates real-time live presentation reports. We can even have our engineering team discuss and present these reports to your clients with proper knowledge and confidence. This allows you to achieve your goal of $1,000 per visit. When you have consistently produced your desired goal, you will likely no longer need the assistance of the support team, and this reduces your operating cost. The second problem you will encounter is achieving a schedule of 3 appointments per day. This is one of the most difficult challenges new chimney sweep companies will experience. This is where you will need help from us, and we help you as a partnership. We have media reach, website branding, television commercials, and millions of views on the internet. Let me show you an example of our commercial.
Have you ever dreamed of owning your own business? At a step in Time Chimney Sweeps, we don't just train chimney sweeps, we train entrepreneurs. We'll teach you the trade of chimney inspection, cleaning, and repairs. We give you the tools to operate your own chimney sweep business. With professional training, great phone numbers, powerful websites, and decades of experience, your opportunity starts here. Call a Step in Time Chimney Sweeps today or visit chimneysweep.com. Learn a trade and build your future.
When we run this commercial, we heavily promote it in a 20-mile radius of your location. We change the name of the company from A Step in Time to the name of your company. This allows us to help build the name of your company with our bulk volume television commercials. On your side, viewers see these advertisements and must know that if we are training chimney professionals, that we are also servicing the needs of residential clients. The best part is that many individuals also seek employment. These can be an endless supply of employees to scale and grow your chimney sweep business. When you have achieved your goal of 3 jobs per day and $1,000 per job, then you have now built a successful chimney sweep business and you no longer need our service. Now let's discuss step 4 of our process. We have discussed the numbers regarding operating a successful chimney sweep business. The owner is generating most of the labor and the operating expense in very small. This leads to a very comfortable lifestyle. With this comfort and financial success comes different challenges. A business owner wants to transition from working in his business to working on his business. This is called scaling. If you are a one-man service vehicle and you have many clients who need your service, then you will need additional help and vehicles. To solve this problem, you train on of our employee recruits during the 8 to 12 week training program. When he is trained, you purchase a new chimney sweep van that is stocked and lettered. You partner with us to provide lead generation, quality control, client engagement and presentation, and follow up. When your new technician is achieving $1,000 per visit on his own, he no longer needs our support. When your company is generating enough leads on your own to cover his visit requirement, then you no longer need our advertising support. Congratulations, you now have a business generating $1.5 million a year in revenue. Throughout my 29 years in business, I have trained over 400 chimney technicians. In my home market alone, I have two chimney sweep companies who begin their career with me, and they now own their own multi-million dollar successful chimney sweep companies, and we have ongoing friendly relationships. Finally, here is my invitation to whoever is watching this video. If you are an entrepreneur who wants to build a chimney sweep business, or you are an existing business who wants to scale and grow your business and help train future chimney sweeps, then feel free to contact us to make these dreams happen. You can contact us at 833 Chimney or visit us at chimneysweeps.com. Thanks for watching, and to help us grow our channel, please hit like and subscribe.